Buick Verano. So we're gonna run the power wire through here. We're gonna make a hole up there. Right in that spot right here. Right there. Oh, a Chevy nữa ấy.
I can't remember.
I remember you.
I remember coming here before, but I can't remember what I came here for.
Oh, you got a 17 GMC, 12 to 17 GMC. You turn it on, close all the door, and it's make this kind of noise. Oh, you got to start the car first. And you noise maybe again. So you got an ANC issue. So in order to do an ANC, you can do a couple different things. You can take out the not the mic. I think it's this one right here. This is a mic where you can talk on the phone, and then that one over there, right there in the back. Or you can go right here underneath the amp. So right there underneath you'll see a pink black and then blue black. You're gonna have to cut that. But if you disconnect all of it, and your mic might not work properly. So that is how you do it. For the ANC mic. And if you're gonna hook up an amplifier, so you want to use the speaker wire through from this one right here, a green plug. That green plug, you need a light green is positive, and then green black is negative. That's for the hooking up to the line out converter. Unplug the black 16 wire. So what I'm going to be cutting is the blue black and the pink black, according to everyone was talking about, because I do not want to go and take two of those mic out. So here we go. I'm going to cut it long enough so in case I had to put it back, I'm going to put it right back, because that's mic related.